Welcome, dear students. I hope you are fine. I am also well and good. Congratulate on my first class for class 6 on articles. At first, I want to say what is articles. You know, articles is a part of speech that is placed before a noun and indicates the noun, whether the noun is definite or indefinite. Basically, a, an, and the are called articles because they place before a noun and indicate the noun whether it is definite or indefinite. You know, articles are of two kinds: definite article and indefinite article. What is definite article? You know, when a parts of speech place before a noun and indicate the noun definitely, that is called definite article. And you know, students, B is called definite article and A and N are called indefinite article. Why they are indefinite article? Because they place before a noun and they indicate the noun indefinitely. For example, there are 6 boxes you can notice, and these 6 boxes are paper boxes, and if we indicate them indefinitely, then you can write a box, a box, a box, a box, and a box. For example, I want a box of paper. In this sentence, you want a box of paper, but you have not indicated which box of paper do you like to want. So this is indefinite article. In the second example, I want the third box of paper. In this case, you find the third box as you wish, and in this case the box is definitely indicated, and this is why the third is definite article here, and a box is indefinite article here because a does not mean to indicate directly any box. Here are also some examples: a box, an apple, an umbrella, a horse. And how will you use a and an before a noun? In this case, you know there are 26 letters in English grammar. They are called alphabets, and you know alphabets are of two kinds: vowels and consonants. And you know about vowels. There are 5 vowels in English grammar. In English alphabets, they are A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the letters are called consonants. They are 21 in numbers. And what are they? You already know. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So students, in my next class I will talk about how will you use a and before a noun, and how will you use the. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.